Diyos ko, akala mo ba yung presidente natin nagtatrabaho? Hindi nagtatanong yan at all. Hindi, I swear to the flag, si BBM, hindi yan siya. Nagtatanong ng trabaho at all. Kaya napansin nyo ba, walang direksyon yung governance at walang direksyon yung iba't ibang departamento. Bakit? Kasi he doesn't give he doesn't command. He doesn't command, he doesn't ask, he doesn't say that, look, there's a Philippine development plan and what are you supposed to do about this? Akala nyo ba yung ginawa ko sa DepEd, galing yun kay BBM? Hindi, akin yun. Lahat. Kasi he did not give any orders at all. So pag upo ko doon, sabi ko sa mga kasamahan ko, sa mga USEC at ASEC, I think this is our show. Kasi walang participation at all ang Pangulo. So gagawin na lang natin kung ano yung dapat na gagawin para sa edukasyon dito sa ating bayan. So we created the Matatag Agenda. We followed through with the Matatag Curriculum at unfortunately hindi kami natapos kasi yun nga, nag-decide ako na I don't deserve the attacks that were thrown at me by the administration. Kasi ako na nga lang siguro yung kaisa-isa dong nagde-deliver para sa cabinet ni BBM. Tapos ganoon pa yung gagawin nila sa akin. O di, nung nawala ako, edi wala na. Wala na siyang accomplishment at all.
Thank you very